morning, everyone. Today, a competition is being held by Miss Shadwan. It's between girls versus boys. Today, we will do some mini challenges. First, we're going to start off speeches and poems, then to the mini challenges. Speech, I would like to wish greetings to all the Koshish audiences. It's a pleasure to me to deliver a speech about life. So let's get started. The word life contains only 4 letters, but no one can assess its vastness in reality.
I want to make the future of Kurdistan through education, science, and knowledge. And I want Kurdistan to have to reach the level of other countries and become an independent country. Us kids can create a very bright future for Kurdistan to study. So please, let's all work together for an amazing country and future. Thank you.
We base our happiness on events that might happen in the future. If this happens, I'll be truly happy. What about now? What about all the things happening in your life now? Are they really not good or just not good enough? The moral of this speech was, be grateful for what you already have. Thank you.
Do you ever feel insecure or being called short or tall? Don't feel like that, because some people think that it's only yourself, but it's most of the people that happen to them. When that happens to you, don't listen to them, because they're only haters and they're only jealous of you. You know how you're getting all those stuff? You go on social media, look at all those girls putting on makeup and do all those stuff, make your insecure higher.
Words is a game that you scramble a word and you need to know it. So, and if you don't know it, we'll tell you the meaning of it. So it'll be easier for you to know what's the word. Pieces of word hide in here, sentences actually. You need to find them and you cannot take them off the place they are. You need to memorize the word or the sentence and bring it back to the writer of your group. If not fed, but whatever I touch will soon turn red. What am I?
Fire. Fire?
Yes. The person who makes it has no need of it. The person who buys it has no use for it. The person who uses it can neither see it nor feel it.
Rap!
No.
Bad people. What is it then? Is it a beat? A beat? A beat?